In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently copy and paste a link in Google Chrome. This seemingly simple task is essential for sharing information quickly and effectively, but it might not be as straightforward if you're unfamiliar with the steps involved. Whether you're using a desktop or a mobile device, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can master it in just a few minutes. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Chrome browser. If you haven't done so already, simply look for the colorful circular icon. It's usually located on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you've got Chrome running, navigate to the web page that contains the link you want to copy. This could be a blog, a news article, or even a specific post on social media. Now that you're on the desired web page, locate the address bar at the top of your screen. This is where the URL or web address is displayed. Here you'll want to click in the address bar once. Doing so will highlight the entire URL, making it ready for your next action. It's worth noting that if the URL doesn't automatically highlight, try clicking the address bar again or use the shortcut Command+L for Mac or Control+L for Windows to quickly highlight the URL. Next, it's time to copy the URL. You can do this by right-clicking the highlighted link and selecting Copy from the drop-down menu. Alternatively, if you prefer using your keyboard, you can simply press Command+C on a Mac or Control+C on a Windows PC. This step effectively copies the URL to your clipboard, enabling you to paste it elsewhere. For the final part, you're going to paste your copied link wherever you need it. This could be an email, a document, or any other text field. Navigate to your chosen destination and click into the text field where you want the link to appear. Once your cursor is blinking in the right spot, right-click your mouse and select Paste from the menu. If you're a fan of keyboard shortcuts, you can also press Command+V on a Mac or Control+V on a Windows PC. And just like that, your link is now pasted and ready to be shared or saved. A small tip to keep in mind: if you're working with sensitive information, always double-check the URL you've copied to ensure it's correct before sharing. This ensures you're not accidentally sending the wrong link to colleagues or friends. On occasion, copying from certain applications might not capture the information correctly, so a quick verification can save you a lot of time and confusion down the line. And there you have it. Following these straightforward steps will make copying and pasting links in Google Chrome a breeze. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to practice this handy skill to make your web navigation more efficient.